Special greetings, my dear students. Now we can see the links. In previous class, we seen CSS internal means inline, internal, external. After what is used of the alternative tags, this all things we seen, and we stopped in a link. Okay, A is there, my dear. This is a CSS. Okay, here is a CSS. Again, I'm saying CSS basic. They didn't give. They didn't give any basic. So if we go for the basic, it consumes plenty of time, and which is not in your portion, and you will, if you're studying, it is not waste. But thing is what, uh, you will learn that and you will leave these things. Okay, so no need to go on that. Whatever things they given, just learn it and do the practical and see the output. Only that much I can able to say. You no need to go in CSS deep, because it is not a smaller topic to go. To understanding the basic things only, at least you need 10 classes. At least we need 10 period for the basics. Okay, means at least 4 period practical and all, we may go 6 period. So that much we can't do. So just you go through the main concept which they given in your books, just you learn it. A means what? Anchor. So if we are using style tag, this is called what? Internal, correct? If you are using style being, this is called what? Inline. Be clear in this. Okay, no need to get confused. If you are using style before body, it is a internal. In internal, we are using the selector. If I am mentioning A is a selector, open bracket, close bracket. Now see here, a link. Okay, sorry, A link. Okay, means if I mention like this, unvisited link. Okay, and if I mention like this, has visited. Okay, if I mention this, visited. Now see the difference, who were active and all, we can able to see difference here. Means they written like this. Kindly see, this is the tag they written. Text decoration overwhelming, it is used for decorate the text. Now see the output here. See, this is the output. So this is a active. Okay, when we are moving our mouse cursor to near to that, it is in a, when we are moving our mouse cursor near to that, it is in a active green color. Here color is not clear, but when we are moving, it will change the color. Hover, it will change the color, and when we are going, it will come in a green color. When we visited, it is in a yellow color. These are the three things they explained here. If you do practical, only you can able to understand. If you don't do practical, you can't able to understand. But you just to learn it. Okay, you just understand it and learn it. School is going to be open soon. You may do the practical more. Okay, now next one, link as a button. Now here, when we click this link, you know well, if I mention here A H or E F something I mentioned. Okay, click, and A is closed. Now in output, this click is there. It will come in a highlighted. Okay, now this text we can design with help of the line block. So okay, now here you can able to see this all things where they given in a link, visited link, both two selector they given. It is ending here. Okay, so line block is, if you are using line block, it will come like a block like this. If you are using line block, it will come like this type of block, and when we are clicking on that particular block, automatically it will redirect. Here what is the link? Click.html. So it will open the particular HTML file. Now see here, image as a link. My god, how we can do this image as a link? No need to get confused. Very simple. Now see here how we will give the link for the normal text. A H or E F, correct? And we will give the location close. Here we will give the text, click. Am I right? But for the image, if you want to give the link, instead of this text, okay, instead of this text, here we may use the image tag, img src equal to over. Now what will happen? This link will goes to the image. Okay, this image will get the link when we will move our mouse cursor near to this. When we will click this image, automatically it will open another page. Okay, this is called linking a web page. Here they just used an image. They didn't give any link. Okay, here they given ahref. See, and here they give an image. Here is a image tag and here is a anchor tag, and anchor tag is closed here. Opening tag, closing tag. And my dear, in an image tag they given, you can able to see what type of output they are getting. This all things you may just try it, research it. Okay. Inserting audio video is very easier. If you know how to insert audio, same way you can able to insert video also. Okay, src source control, display the control on a web page. When we will click, it is playing. Sometimes it is auto playing. Okay, so that all things, auto play, loop, if it should play continuously, that only. So means example, audio control. This is the tag audio control src equal to, you may give the location with the file name and extension. Extension will be mp3, correct? So it will be there. Now if you want autoplay, I am right, just you mention autoplay and close. Now automatically it will play when page will open. And if you mention loop, it will play repeatedly. Same tag here also. Same tag here also. What? Video. There, video. Before we used audio, but here we used what? Video. Same control. src source equal to same. But in audio we cannot able to use a height width and all. But here we can use a height and width also. And same way audio also. Sorry, means autoplay and control. Okay. Here you can able to see video, controls, src source. This is a video location, path, we may say path. Okay, and width, this is what? 720. This is of 720 and height is 540. 540 is a height. Okay, so this is a simple thing they given. Now frames. Students, frame is a very easy thing. You no need to get any stress. With help of frame, we can insert multiple web pages in a particular web page. Means a tab, we may say, particular tab. In a one tab. Okay, here you may use one file 1, here you may use file 2, and here you may use file 3 and file 4. Means this 4 are different web pages. Okay, see, can create a HTML using iframe. Okay, they didn't give anything very clearly. Now see here, iframe. src value means the path of the file. Here they given path URL. Okay, path URL. Height, width, if you need, you may give, else no need. Okay, now see a simple page. Kindly see here. This is the internal CSS iframe. Now see here. This is the HTML document name, height and width, and iframe seek, a iframe source, another file, height and width. Here 200, 200. So same here. So this is a file 1, file 2. Okay, different files. Okay, and if you are mentioning changing values here, the change different value will come here. Okay, you can able to see in your book the things, but I didn't keep that example copy of here. Now my dear students, your syllabus portion everything is over, but things what practical is remaining. Without practical it is not possible to remember this. And CSS, no need to go deep. Avoid going deep, because if you're going to the deep, basic concept only a big portion you should understand. Basic concept is very large. It takes plenty of time to make, for you to understand. It will take at least 4 period. So if you go on basic and it is not going to come to your examination, and you may feel more difficulty to learn this all. So better avoid CSS. Without CSS also we may insert image. Means without CSS, uh, we can insert image and a link, but block, if you learn CSS it is easier. Okay, we can insert image, we can link, and we can insert audio, video after audio, video after frame. So these are the things only in your book, and with help of CSS they increased just height. Height, width of image and video. So this all things you just avoid CSS. Try to avoid CSS and just to go on HTML. Because if you go on CSS, you will get confused with HTML. After you will not learn anything. Okay, avoid CSS and learn only HTML. Okay, and whatever doubts you're having, come to online class and ask your doubts and just make it clear. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thanks for watching, and be ready for your examination. Thank you.